Tsaka yun din, ang ganda din ng customer service nila. So, ang sabi lang nila is that you need to have a US number kapag sinign up mo. So, if kunyari, tinanong ko siya, sabi ko, ito, I'm a virtual assistant. Sabi niya, if your client has a US number or your client is based in the US, I can use yung number ng client ko to sign up. Kasi you only have to use it during sign up. After that, hindi mo na kailangan. So, once na nag-sign up ka, i-enter mo lang yung number ng client mo and then makaka-receive lang ng code si client, tapos yun yata yung i-enter mo once you sign up. Hindi ko pa siya ginagawa kasi iba pa yung focus ko ngayon. Inbox management pa lang ako, wala pa akong kailangan calls na gawin. So yeah, yun yung pinakamaganda. Ang maganda sa open phone kasi pwede mo siyang maging CR. Yung pwede siyang magkaroon ng parang customer service, yung dial 1, dial 2, dial 3, may ganun siya. Pero yung pinaka-basic feature niya is yun nga, for you to have like a US number wherein you can call, basically for free, any US and